What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm just going to break down how you can start an AI reselling business and scale it to 10K a month in less than a year. And if you don't know me already, my name is 𝐬𝐝𝐫𝐠𝐞𝐿, and I am the owner and founder of FlexConnect CRM, and I have built my SaaS company. We resell AI solutions to businesses, and I launched it in November 2023, and we have scaled it now. We're at $60,000 a month in MRR, and I'm just going to break down exactly how I did it. And you do not need a coding background. You do not need to know how to do any type of tech, coding, anything like that. So you're just solving real problems for businesses and providing them solutions, because at the end of the day, every single business needs some type of platform or automatic follow-up system, lead qualification system to help them scale without having to bring on more payroll. And as you guys can see, this is just in the last couple of days of some payouts from my Stripe. And so obviously I'm not lying. And I'm just going to show you pretty much how you can kind of get started. And if you don't know what an AI agency is or what it even entails, you're pretty much just automating tasks like lead follow-up, appointment booking, missed calls, Instagram and DM automations. And we're using tools like Go High Level to do so. You're not building your own AI. You're not, coding or anything like that. You are literally just building it off of Go High Level. And Go High Level is a platform that you can build off of. It comes blank with no automations or anything like that, but you can just build that inside of Go High Level, and I'll break that down. And I also have a free school that you can join to show you how you can start with Go High Level and show you the automations, and also get some snapshots and automations from us. So what I mean by that is, this is from one of our clients who does a lot of ads for Facebook, Instagram for his window washing, power washing company. So when a lead inquires, this AI bot, as you can see, this is the AI thing, is going to be pretty much responding back, qualifying these leads, and booking a call on the sales guys or the owner of the company's schedule, so he can just get down and get them the quote and get everything done. But it skips out the part where they have to do any manual responding back to any of their leads, because it takes a lot of time doing that, especially when they're pumping a lot of ads. So this AI bot can respond back to all the leads, qualify them, book an appointment on the calendar for them. And you can do that all within Go High Level. As you can see, this is our system, FlexConnect, and inside of here there's a conversational and a voice AI agent tab, and you can build out the bot, the training settings, and everything in here and what you want it to do. And this is what we're doing inside of there. And you can provide solutions for these companies to do all their payments and everything through here. They can run all their conversations, they can put all their leads, they have the calendar in here, they have their AI agents, the reporting tab to track KPIs. So you're giving them a system and reselling them a whole infrastructure system for them to run their whole entire business out of, where they can do their sales, their marketing, their lead management, their lead follow-up, everything all in one, and every company needs that. So you're able to sell this as a big infrastructure package, and it provides a lot of value for these companies. And like I said, the tools needed are, your stack is really just Go High Level. I built this. Go High Level white labeled SaaS is $497 a month. So for you to start reselling your own accounts, you have to get the $497 a month plan, and you're able to then start reselling and sell as many sub accounts as you want at whatever pricing you want. And ChatGPT, obviously I love ChatGPT. I built my whole entire business with the help of ChatGPT, and our free school program as well. You can click the link in the bio and get in there, and there's a lot of good people in there that will help you, and some videos in there to help you as well. If you're not at the point where you can't afford the $497 a plan, you're more than welcome to come to FlexConnect, and we'll give you a nice deal where Go High Level has a $97, a $297, and a $497. $97 and $297, you can only do so much with it. The $497, you can start reselling. But if you guys want to start with FlexConnect or get some snapshots from us, we can, or sign up under the affiliate with Go High Level. We'll give you some pre-made snapshots, or you can come into FlexConnect and we'll build out and help you build out everything inside of there. And whenever you're ready to switch to the white label and Go High Level and get your own account to start reselling, we can transfer your account over to your own Go High Level. So we're more than happy to help you out with whatever you need to get you guys started and get yourself familiar with the platform. So number 4 is your offer. So you want to charge and come up with an offer that makes sense, obviously, to whatever you're selling, whether you're selling to real estate agents, you're selling to med spas, you're selling to insurance sales, whatever niche you're getting into. And, we sell anywhere from $297 a month to $1,500 a month in our average packages. So you're selling the automations, the CRM, the reporting, everything in one. And you're positioning it as we install an AI system that saves you time and closes more deals for you. And you don't have to also bring on more employees or payroll to do so. So, we mentioned fulfillment, like build once or mention fulfillment. So, you're really just building this once, and you can resell this to so many different niches. You can build this entire platform, and I always recommend starting off, stick in one, build out the automations for one niche, scale that, because you can just sell that over and over and over and over again to the same niche without ever having to build in and do more work. And eventually, once you scale that niche, it's pretty much similar based off of all the businesses and everything. It's just kind of tweaking the follow-ups and different scripts. So it's so easy to kind of just build around that and open up in a different niche and resell that as well. And you can sell to multiple different niches. And you can do that inside of Go High Level as well. As you see, you can kind of create everything for them to check out for your monthly plans and what's included in it and what you're rebilling. And then, this is our website as well of where we offer it. So you can do all the packaging inside of Go High Level, put it on your website for whenever they check out. It will automatically create their account with all the automations and everything you already built out, so you don't have to do that extra work. They'll get a login, and then you can onboard them. And that's how you will be able to create that subscription. And I always recommend the MMR and building up that monthly subscription is an amazing model. You can charge setup fees as well. Like I used to charge $2,500 one-time setup fee, then plus $97 a month, which was great. But I was always working and hustling for the next deal, and not really building that MMR monthly subscription up as much as I wanted to. So I switched to my model to straight subscription, and we're able to scale our subscription model. So every single month we know we're getting paid, and we just got to focus on fulfillment and obviously always updating and staying up to date with everything to keep that subscription. But I think it's a way better model, the subscription, versus charging like a high setup and a low monthly. And then we have bigger packages for enterprise packages when we're working with big companies. We charge anywhere from like $10,000 to $15,000 a month, plus like $1,500 a month, or $10,000 to $15,000 setup, plus like $1,500 a month when we're creating bigger, when we're working with bigger enterprises and companies. So how to get clients is simple. I started exactly like this. This is how I literally get scaled to what I am at now. We just finally started running some ads for our software company, but we're not going to go too heavy on the ads just because it's so expensive to run ads in the software space. So we're really just focusing on scaling, organically with cold DMs to businesses, social content, Instagram Reels, Shorts, YouTube channel, and referrals and affiliates. So, once you start getting those first couple of clients, you start providing results, you have those testimonials, it's easier for you to reach out and, send those testimonials and stuff to clients and help you close a deal. But to get the leads, we're always DMing. So like, for instance, over here, we are DMing clients on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, anything you could think of, and just cold DMing people. You want to start cold DMing people, as you can see right here, and then start setting up an appointment to get on a demo so you can show them the system. It works really, really well. Go into Facebook groups, start cold DMing people and to the people in your niche that you're going after, and come up with a nice little script. Short, simple, right to the point, and you can book demos. As long as you're staying consistent, you're sending out those DMs, you're going to get demos. It works. We have gotten so many clients just from doing this. And then once you build up those client lists, you start having affiliates that you can start marketing on your social medias. You could start bringing in and starting an affiliate program where they get 10-15% of any clients they bring you. And that has helped us scale a ton. We have clients that bring us and refer us clients all the time. So the affiliate model and the cold DMing strategy is one of my favorite ways, and that will easily get you to 10K plus a month in reoccurring. It has gotten us to 50K plus a month in reoccurring of just straight organic and doing this. And it works really well, guys. So how to scale to the 10K a month is, only if you're doing it $297, just a basic package, that's what you're reselling, you only need 34 clients. So 34 clients is $10,000 a month, a little bit over. And start in one niche, start in home service, real estate, insurance sales, one of those industries that you can niche down to, just focus on that niche only. Easily, if you just do that, keep it simple, lock in, start at $297 a month or whatever pricing packages you want, start DMing 50 people a day on each platform and get those first couple of clients, get those first testimonials, and then start your affiliate system. And you will easily get to 10K a month in less than a year if you just literally stick to that same exact routine and keep it simple. Don't be in a bunch of different niches. Just pick one. Real estate was mine. Locked in on real estate, wholesalers, investors, realtors. Literally got 100 plus clients just in that niche alone before I started expanding into other niches. And it was simple. You know, I already built out the automations, and whenever I needed to update or add stuff, I added it inside of Go High Level to the snapshot I needed to, and I could push those updates to all my clients. So guys, if you ever wanted to start reselling AI, now is the chance, and it is a gold mine, and it's just the beginning. You're still early. So I hope this video helped. Shoot a like and a comment, and please subscribe. And if you ever wanted to learn how to start reselling AI, you wanted to get access to any of our programs that we work one-on-one with you and do some group coaching, I'll put the link below where you can book a call with our team, and you can ask any other questions. It'll be a free 30-minute strategy call, and you can get to see what we have as far as group coaching and one-on-one coaching. If you want the straight access to us holding your hand, helping you pick your niche, helping you build out your automations, etc., and holding your hand to get your first client and scaling it to 10K a month, you can click the link below and book a call with our team.